Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands, and thank you so much for joining me. Before I go any further, I just want to say a great thank you for all of my great supporters out there. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are coming back, or if you're not or you're new, or you are a absolute amazing fantastic supporter of my channel, please hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. And welcome. Let's get going. This is my amazing and beautiful turnip. It's a white top turnip and it's beautiful. It's amazing, and the pods are coming dry now, so I really need to get them out. Look at that, the beautiful pods. It's amazing. So look at me, the beautiful seeds are in there, and that is seeds. Because what I'm trying to get everybody to do, because look at it, I just planted maybe about a handful of seeds itself, and then those seeds turn out to be a massive amount. I'm telling you, there's probably about 2,000 or 3,000 seeds in this lot here. There's got to be about 2,000 in here, because each pod there are about maybe 6 or 7. I just opened one pod now and had about 4 seeds. So one pod can give you 4 seeds. You know, that's one of the greatest thing about saving seeds, and it won't cost you anything else to ever buy another one, because I'll be sowing them again in the autumn, late autumn, winter time, because they really they grow fantastically well later on in the year, not early now. So I would never have to buy a seed. So I literally have my secateurs, so just on the ground here. Let me grab them. I have my secateurs and a beautiful and amazing brown paper bag, because I want to keep them in there and let them dry out, and if the seeds will just fall into the bag, and then later on I can sift through them and put them in smaller ones, date them, and have them available when I need them. So I'm gonna just do a quick snap and get these bad boys literally bagged up. What I'll do first is basically just try to cut as many of these as I can and trim them down, because they're so dry and crispy. I don't even know if I need to have my secateurs in this moment, because they're so dry. I could just snap them off, but sometimes you definitely do need them. It will take some time to get all of these done, but it's all worth it. Think about having as much seed as possible, because not all of these seeds will germinate next year. You might have a few bad ones in this one. So having the amount that is going to be here now, it's going to cover me for probably for the rest of my life. But then I'm going to stuff in all of these beautiful seeds in the bag. The bag literally shattered. Not really too happy about it, but it's fine. There is some amazing seeds here. I will actually do my own little trick, get them baggaged and packed up and stored in a smaller, with most likely will be an envelope, and write a date on them and store them away for next season or the end of the year season. Because sometimes you really have to give it a date, so you don't want to be using older seeds, but doesn't matter, still stick it in. The only advice I would give anybody that's saving seeds is that if you're looking for the same one that you planted, please try not to save seeds which are hybrids, because obviously those are used in a way to actually use 2 different pollinization, or a certain fusion of 2 different vegetable or plants or flowers or whatever you want to call it, to create a different one. But the problem is, when you get those seeds the next season on, you will not be getting the same plant, because obviously they've used so much different ones to get to that dimension. It's not going to be the same. But if you save seeds from heirloom, it will be the exact same product as you planted the year before. It's just a different thing, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes you got to save everything, because you never know when you might need it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands, and come back. Please hit that like button, share it out to those who you never know might need this information. Thank you very much, guys.